In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore data from an iCloud backup. Whether you've got a new device, need to recover lost files, or are simply moving data from an old iPhone, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that restoring from an iCloud backup requires resetting your iPhone. This means you cannot restore over your current active setup, so be prepared for that before you start. Make sure you've backed up any new data that you don't want to lose, as resetting will erase everything on your device. To begin, let's erase your iPhone. Start by going into your settings, then navigate to General. From there, scroll down and select the option that says Transfer or Reset iPhone. This next step is important. Tap on Erase all content and settings. When you select this, your device will ask for confirmation, confirm your choice, and your iPhone will initiate the erase process. This might take a little while, so be patient as it clears your device, getting it ready for the fresh start. After your iPhone restarts, you'll be prompted to follow the initial setup steps, similar to when you first got your phone. Go through these initial prompts such as language selection and Wi-Fi setup until you reach the apps and data screen. Here you'll see several options, but the one you're interested in is Restore from iCloud Backup. Select that option. It's time to sign in with your Apple ID. Use the credentials linked to your iCloud account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you may need to verify your login at this point, so have your trusted device or phone number accessible. Once logged in, you'll see a list of available backups. These are snapshots of your device's data at different times, so you'll want to choose the one that best meets your needs. Typically, selecting the most recent backup is advisable, as it will have the latest version of your data. Tap the backup you wish to restore, and the process will commence automatically. The restoration can take some time depending on the amount of data being transferred and your internet connection speed, so it's best to remain connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network and keep your device plugged in if possible to avoid interruptions. As the process completes, apps, settings, messages, and more will be restored to your device just as they were when the backup was made. Once finished, your iPhone will be ready to use with all your data restored. Congratulations, you've successfully restored your data from an iCloud backup. This can be a lifesaver in preserving precious memories and important information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below.